All right guys, right in my hand is a factory Gen 5 Camaro mirror cup replacement. As you guys know, we announced at SEMA the full carbon fiber replacement that was on pre-order. Well, guess what? It's no longer on pre-order, it's ready to go to ship to your door. Let's go over all the details and show you what we got going on this awesome factory OEM replacement cover. All right guys, let's go ahead and unpack this real quick. This was packaged really well. I don't even know where to start from. All right, so it comes with this foam, and then we have the clear bagging. And by the way guys, this is a pre-preg carbon fiber mirror cup, not a wet. So the quality is even 20 times better than the regular market that's out. It actually very light, weighs hardly anything, and very functional when it comes to performance. And you're gonna get the gloss carbon fiber look. So there you go guys, as you can see right in my hands, the carbon fiber OEM replacement Gen 5 mirror cups. And you can weigh your factory by just simply knowing that this is way heavier and this is extremely light. Same exact replica, we shaped it off really well to a point where it literally mounts with the same hardware to your mirror inside your cover. With that being said, this is an entire cover now in stock with AutoAddictUSA, the gloss black mirror cups cover replacement for 2010 to 2015 Camaro RS, LT, SS, and ZL1. You guys can order it, AutoAddictUSA, good in stock, will ship out right away once you place your order. I'll see you guys on the next product review.